Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to make the switch from traditional cable TV to YouTube TV seamlessly. Many people are looking for more flexibility and options when it comes to their TV viewing experience, and YouTube TV offers just that. The first step in transitioning to YouTube TV is to assess your current cable TV situation. Take note of the channels you watch frequently and compare them to what is offered on YouTube TV. Once you have a clear understanding of what channels you want to keep access to, it's time to sign up for a YouTube TV account. Simply visit the YouTube TV website, enter your information, and choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. After signing up, you'll need to download the YouTube TV app on your preferred devices, such as your smart TV, streaming device, or smartphone. Next, it's essential to cancel your current cable TV subscription to avoid paying for overlapping services. Contact your cable TV provider and inform them of your decision to switch to YouTube TV. Make sure to return any equipment they may require to avoid additional charges. With your YouTube TV account set up and your cable TV subscription canceled, it's time to start enjoying your new TV experience. Explore the features of YouTube TV, such as unlimited cloud DVR storage, multiple account profiles, and access to popular channels. Customize your channel lineup and set up recordings for your favorite shows so you never miss an episode. As you get accustomed to using YouTube TV, you'll discover additional features like on-demand content, sports coverage, and the ability to watch on multiple devices simultaneously. Feel free to explore and personalize your viewing experience to suit your preferences. And that's it. You have successfully made the switch from cable TV to YouTube TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.